Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious quesadilla, just like your favorite restaurant. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 large flour tortillas, about 8 to 10 inches each, along with 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, and 1 cup of crispy, crumbled bacon. Don't forget 2.5 cups of shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of creamy ranch dressing, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil for cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the heart of our quesadilla, the flavorful filling. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 2 cups of shredded chicken, 1 cup of crispy bacon, and 1 cup of your shredded cheese. Next, pour in the 1/4 cup of ranch dressing. Gently mix everything together until all the ingredients are well coated and evenly distributed. This ensures every bite is packed with that signature taste. You can also add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble and cook these beauties. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat, then lightly brush it with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Place 1 large flour tortilla flat in the pan. Sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your remaining shredded cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, spoon approximately 2/3 of a cup of your chicken and bacon mixture onto that cheesy half. Fold the other side of the tortilla over, pressing down gently with a spatula. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy, and the cheese is perfectly melted. Once your quesadilla is golden and the cheese is wonderfully melted, carefully remove it from the skillet and place it on a cutting board. Let it rest for just about 1 minute. This helps the ingredients set. Then, using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, slice each large quesadilla into 3 or 4 easy-to-handle wedges. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauces, like extra ranch dressing, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh pico de gallo. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-style treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.